In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Upwork Connects. If you're new to Upwork, Connects are the credits you use to submit proposals for jobs. Running low can slow your momentum, so let's walk through the purchase process clearly and efficiently, with a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Upwork. When the results appear, click the official Upwork link. Double-check that the address bar shows the correct domain and a secure padlock icon so you know you're on the real site. Next, log into your account. Use your usual credentials, and if you have multiple roles on Upwork, make sure you're in your freelancer profile. If prompted for extra verification, complete it so you can access your settings without interruptions. Once you're in, go to Settings. You'll find this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and selecting the Settings option from the drop-down menu. On mobile, the layout may be slightly different, but your profile image or menu icon will still lead you there. In the Settings area, look at the left-hand navigation and select Memberships and Connects. This page shows your current plan and how many connects you have right now. It's a good place to confirm your balance before buying. Now click the button labeled Buy Connects or sometimes Add Connects, depending on your account view. This opens the checkout flow where you can choose how many connects you want. Select a bundle that fits your needs, or enter a custom amount if that option appears. Think about how many proposals you typically submit in a week or month, and buy an amount that keeps you covered without overspending. Take a quick look at the price shown on screen and any taxes or fees before you proceed. If you have a promo code, enter it in the promo field. Codes are case-sensitive and often time-limited, so type it carefully and check that it applies before continuing. Finally, click Buy Connects to complete your purchase. You may be asked to confirm or add a payment method, such as a card or an approved digital wallet. Wait for the confirmation message, and then check that your new connects immediately appear in your balance on the Memberships and Connects page. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment and refresh. That's it. You've successfully purchased connects, and you're ready to send more proposals confidently.